Objective 6, 6.A. Present the data as a data grid on WPF, which will allow easier access to the info using select queries. B. I will use cross-table parameterized select queries. This is the code for just a simple selects all employee query. It will get all the information using this query, and then it will assign that information to the database, to the data table. Now let's see this work in real time. If we click on branches, if we go back to employee, this is all the information on the employee table. We can make sure by going here and selecting all from employees, these informations are the same here and here. Now if we go back, I've used a cross-table parameterized select query to select the managers from the employee table for each branch. This is the select query I've used. Now let's see it work in real time. Managers. This is a combination from the employee table and the branch table, using the foreign key manager ID and connecting it to the primary key employee ID. I've also used another cross-table parameterized query here, which will get all the suppliers, their supplier names, and the category which they supply the warehouse for. This is the query I've used. Now let's see this in real time. Supplier. This combines the supplier table, the category table, and the descriptions as well, and the warehouse table to get the names of the product. Objective 5, 5.A, delete data. It needs a function that allows client to delete data from a specified table and stores the changes made in the database. 5B, this will be done by selecting a cell on the data grid and selecting the delete button. This is the code used. First, if it confirms if any grid, any cell in the grid has been selected, then it will get the information from the cell and put it into a string query, and then execute this query and get the number of rows deleted. And it will specify which table used by using booleans, where if the employee table has been clicked, employee click will equal true, and the other booleans will equal false. Now let's try this out in real time. We will be going to employee and we will be deleting employee number 8. We select his employee ID and we select his delete. Make sure to select an employee ID from the table to delete. We have done that. One row deleted, and he is now gone. If we go onto the database, he is also gone from the database.